Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm starting a new series of videos that I'm going to put out every Monday called Make Money Monday. So what I want to do every Monday is just look at one way that a mom, either stay-at-home mom, homeschooling mom, even a working mom, just something that we can do to make like side income every Monday. I'm going to explore like a new opportunity basically. So a little bit about me. My husband and I own our own business, and then he also does work online, making money through affiliate marketing. But I also want to kind of help out and add to our finances, and I've been looking for ways to do that because I kind of have this dream to get an RV and travel around the country, and I'm hoping to achieve that dream by this coming up summer. But we do need to add some extra income to do that so that we can comfortably travel and do all the things that we want to do while we're traveling. I want to be able to see all the stuff, do the theme parks, do the state parks and the national parks and just everything. So I'm kind of on a journey myself to like find more ways to make money, and I think that if you really want to have financial freedom, that you need to have multiple streams of income. So I am a homeschooling mom. If you're new to my channel, I have 3 kiddos. I homeschool them, so I don't have a ton of time because homeschooling is kind of like a full-time job. Well, it is like a full-time job. So I need something that I can do on the side, and I'm not necessarily trying to replace like an income or, provide for a family all on my own, but I am trying to make a substantial amount to help out our family and be able to kind of achieve some dreams that we have and some goals that we have. So while I'm looking up new opportunities and things, I'm going to share them with you guys, and I'm just going to do one every Monday. So I'm going to call them Make Money Mondays, and I'm going to put the videos out every Monday on my channel. So if you guys want to see more, definitely subscribe and stick around. Today's Make Money Monday opportunity is going to be FOAP. So if you have never heard of this before, that is FOAP. And the reason I chose it first is because I personally like to do things that are creative. So if it's something that I can do creatively and also make money, that is awesome. Because when you only have a little bit of kind of downtime and you're taking a chunk of that to also work, it's great to have something that you actually enjoy doing. With FOAP, if you like taking pictures or you're good at photography, this is an awesome way to kind of add a side gig to sell your photos, and it's very easy to use. So you're going to need a phone, and you're going to need a phone with either a decent camera, or you're going to need a camera that you use and then you can download the pictures onto your phone. It is an app in the App Store. I'll show you what it kind of looks like. There's a little icon and it says FOAP, and it has a 4.5 rating out of 9.6 thousand ratings. So it has a really good rating, and I have downloaded it. So I'll show you what the app itself looks like. So once you download the app, it looks like this. And you can scroll and you can add photos, and then there's missions and all that. So basically, it's an app that lets you sell your photos, and it puts those photos out to businesses and brands that might want to buy your picture for marketing reasons. They're going to use it they're going to have commercial use license for it. So there's 3 ways that you can earn money on FOAP. The first is through regular missions. So these will have a specific product that brands want pictures of, people using them, and they'll have, specific like ways that they want the picture taken, and you take a picture, you upload it to that mission, and if you win, you could get anywhere from $100 to $500 for your picture. Those typically will only have one winner. Then there's the premium missions that don't require a specific product. Those might be more like lifestyle photos or something of that nature. And you're going to, usually you'll have some kind of parameters for the picture. You'll take the picture, upload it, and those will have multiple winners, and you can win. There's up to like $2,000 in rewards for those that would get split, I guess, between however many winners that particular mission would have. Now, one thing to note is that whatever money you win through missions or through selling your photos, FOAP does take 50% of it. So if you win $100, you're getting $50, and FOAP is getting $50. The last way that you can make money with FOAP is just by uploading your pictures to the FOAP market, and you're going to caption them and put as many tags as you can think of for those, and then anybody can come and buy those photos. Usually, or I think always, FOAP Marketplace is $10 a picture. So if someone buys your picture, it's $10, and you can sell that same picture over and over and over again. There's no limit to how many times you can sell it. So those are the ways that you make money. FOAP is 100% real. It's not a scam. They do pay you. You don't have any minimums that you have to make. You don't have to make $100 or $1,000 before you can get paid. They pay you through PayPal, so it's really simple. So if you don't have PayPal, you're going to need to download that app also and make sure you create a PayPal account and all that. The other cool thing about FOAP is if you're interested in photography, there's a community aspect to it. So you can upload your photos, you can see others' photos, and then you can also kind of like review them and give feedback on photos, which means you will also get feedback on your photos. So if you like photography and you want to do that just on the side. So that's pretty much FOAP in a nutshell. If you're interested in photography and you want to make a little extra side income, it is a great thing to try out for sure. It is a free app, so it's worth a shot. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and next Monday I will be back with another online opportunity. These opportunities are going to be something that you can do with either a smartphone or a computer and Wi-Fi signal, because I want to be able to continue to work on whatever I start while we're on the road. So I'm definitely going to do things that you can do from any location as long as you have Wi-Fi. And there are also going to be opportunities that are catered towards moms that don't have a ton of time. These are not going to be, you know, full-time, you need to put in 40 hours a week type opportunities. So those are the kind of things that you're going to see on the Make Money Monday series. I hope you enjoyed it, and please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.